Hi, GCU students. Data has three different stages that it passes through. First stage being data at rest. Data at rest refers to the information stored on a physical or digital media, such as hard drives, databases, or cloud storage. And this is data that is not actively moving through a network. An example would be files stored on a server or a user credential that is stored in a database. To secure this data, there are different stuff that can be implemented, different methods. For example, encryption, access control, so implementing strong authentication and role-based access control to limit who can view or modify the data. Physical security is also important to protect the storage devices from theft or unauthorized physical access. When data is at rest, the primary focus is encryption and access control, making sure that even if an attacker gains access to the storage, the data remains protected. The second phase in data is data in use. Data in use refers to the information that is actively being processed, accessed, or modified by an application. For example, data temporarily being loaded into a system memory during computation. To secure this, best way to start would be endpoint protection, ensuring system processing that data are secured with anti-malware, updated software, and proper patch management. Access management also is an important step, which would be applying the principle of least privilege to limit user access to only what is needed. Monitoring and logging is also important. It's important to continuously monitor system activities for unauthorized access or unusual behavior. When data is in use, the main challenge is that it must be decrypted for processing. So the focus shifts to securing endpoints, applications, and memory where the data resides temporarily. The final stage is data in transit. Data in transit, or data in motion in this case, refers to the information actively moving between systems, such as across a network or internet. An example would include emails, transfer files, or web traffics. To secure this encryption in transit, you need to use strong protocols such as TLS, SSH, or IPsec to encrypt data during transmission. Integrity checking, use digital signatures or message authentication codes to ensure data isn't altered in transits. Secure channels, basically avoiding sending sensitive data over unsecured or public Wi-Fi without a VPN. For data in transit, the emphasis is on protecting confidentiality and integrity through network level encryption and secure protocols. Thank you, GCU students. I hope you find this helpful, and I hope you enjoy your journey learning about cybersecurity at GCU.